Assalamualaikum and good day. Welcome to lecture for week 2 immunology. So for this week, I'm going to cover on the innate immune response. So we start off with the first line of defense, the physical barrier. Physical barrier is like the wall around a fortress that protecting our body from microbes and pathogens. We already went through the brief description on the first line of defense and also on the second line of defense. So let's have a look on our first physical barrier, mechanical barrier for the first line of defense. Our skin is a waterproof mechanical barrier, and even now in your skin you have millions on you right now, various types of opportunistic microbes such as Staphylococcus aureus. They are normal inhabitants of human skin, and Staph aureus also one of the main culprits for infections. They can infect various parts of our body, our skin, our respiratory tract, and even our internal organs. So for the first line of defense, our skin as a physical barrier. So intact skin acts a barrier between the invaders and your body. Skin prevents entry of microbes into your body, although even tiny abrasions or cuts may allow their passage. Among the characteristics of skins, they have the characterized epithelial cells, which have the characteristic of the dryness of the skin and also hardening of the skin. This provides a physical barrier for the microbes. Second, skin guard the sebaceous glands which provide waterproofing on the skin. Some parts of skin are covered with tiny hairs, for example, nose, ear, and eyelashes. This acts as a natural filter to filter out the invaders. Skin is mild acidity. This prevents the growth of most microbes, and the secretion of sweat, which are acidic and contains lysozymes, which will destroy the bacterial cell walls. And also skin have defensins, which got the antimicrobial activity. Second, the mucous membranes that line our mucous membranes is the membrane that line or cover the tracts and also cavities on the bodies, including our respiratory tract, our digestive tract, urinary and reproductive, and many other parts of the body such as surfaces of our eyes. They are lined with epithelial cells that secrete mucus, which covers the surface of the mucous membranes. And on most parts of the mucous membrane, they got the cilia. These cilia acts as a tiny brooms that propel microorganisms out of our body. The main character of mucus, they are lined mucous membrane. They are lined by mucus. This mucus consists of mucin, the main components of mucus, that give the characteristic of sticky and slippery secretions that these enable them to trap invaders. And second, also the washing action of fluids such as saliva, tears, and mucus secretions that continually bath the exposed epithelium. And they contain enzymes such as lysozymes that destroy bacterial cell walls. These lysozymes is being produced and secreted, and we can find them in our tears, saliva, and mucus. And the acidity pH of most parts of the mucous membranes, such as in the vagina, that retards the growth of microbes, and also in our stomach, that kills most of the ingested bacteria. And also they have defensins, which is an antibacterial agent.